Okay, so I have a fun exercise for you. Take an old homeopathic or tincture bottle, and on the front of it, you're going to put a label, and you're also going to speak into this bottle. So you're going to fill it with water, and then you're going to place a label on it and speak the words of whatever it is that you need more of in your life. So let's say you need more self-esteem, connection, safety, firepower, whatever it is, you're going to write that on the label. You're going to let that infuse, let that intention and that frequency infuse in that dropper bottle. And then daily make a practice out of taking a homeopathic dose, almost like a medicinal potent dose of what it is that you are missing. And it's also this practice, right, of through the intention of that, focusing on bringing more of that frequency in and stabilizing that within the body. Since I have a people pleaser workshop coming up, one thing that you could place on there is like a strong sense of self. If you struggle with the people pleaser, you're going to want to put on there whatever the opposite energy that you're trying to cultivate is, and start to introduce that frequency more to your body. We know that water holds memory. Many of you have seen that strange brand, Liquid Death, the water. How is that structuring the water inside of that can? We get to have a counterculture to that.